Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel JBNY Life. I post travel vlogs, moto vlogs and informative contents like this. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now and then press the bell icon so you get my notifications. So today we are going to unbox this JBL's new lavalier microphone. The model number is CSLM20 that you get on Amazon.in right now for 999 rupees. This is like an all-rounder microphone, one of its kind. Like, this is very new idea from JBL. I'll let you know why that is. So let's unbox this now and I will let you know my thoughts on this. So they have given the mic in this nice pouch with the JBL logo on it. Let's see what's inside the pouch. Okay, we have the mic itself. The cable is 2 meters long, I guess. And if you notice, there are two wires running from the point. Why that is one is the microphone for input and one is the earpiece for monitoring and audio hearing. So this is great if you want to use it in like work from home situations, if you are attending a like Zoom call or Teams meeting. So this is going to be great for you. And this is also very helpful for the upcoming motovloggers and vloggers in general. And we have this TRRS to TRS adapter. So if you want to connect it to a camera, you can use this adapter and connect it. So if you want to connect it to your phone, you can just directly plug this TRRS pin to your 3.5mm jack. So when you connect this, keep in mind that your monitor, your earpiece is not going to work. This will work only if you have connected to your phone or your PC, video or audio conference. So that's it, guys. So they have also given a additional wind muffler and then additional tie clip. If you lose one of these, you have a like replacement. So let's test the audio from this thing now. Okay guys, right now I'm talking to a lavalier mic called Power Device. This was imported from the US. You would have heard the voice quality of this one. This costs around $40 in the US. So we are going to compare this with the JBL lav mic now. Let's see. Okay, I am recording the audio now in the JBL lavalier mic CL20. Right now I have a fan on and also the AC on. So there's a little bit of background noise. So you can hear how the quality of this microphone is. Why is this an all-rounder mic? Because only of this attachment. So if you see a like regular lavalier mic, you don't get this monitor earpiece. So if you go for JBL CLM20, you get both the mic as well as this one side earpiece. So this is great if you want to use it in video or audio conferences like Zoom and Teams meetings. And then yeah, you could also like plug this in your phone and use it for your WhatsApp video or audio calls. So yeah, that's why this is an all-rounder. This is also really helpful for all the vloggers out there. You know how important the audio is for your vlogs. So just don't go with the inbuilt camera mic or the inbuilt phone mic. So always go for something like this, which would produce more like better audio for you. So your vlogs are improved very much. So thanks for watching this video, guys. See you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it right now. Bye.